Hey guys, it's Juliana. So I'm here filming nature, and yeah, because the challenge of the week is filming nature, and I'm gonna film nature, but while watching my neighbors playing soccer. So I hope you don't mind because they fight a lot, but if they fight too much, I'll stop the video. Okay, there we go. So we have Andrew, Mackenzie, which she's rocking it. Thomas Cairns with his shirt up. Many of you know Thomas. Salvatore in the goal.
I know. South Africa.
Joey, Dom, and Nicholas. We're there. So this is my nature. Yep. Lloyd's back there.
He could have reached it. Hey, Phil, hey, my buddy. You got your hands on your butt, Joe. What are you looking at? Handball. Penalty kick right there. Penalty kick right there. No, it's not. Go over there. Go over there. No.
What are you doing?
You guys are in midsection again. No, I was playing goalie. You're not goalie. Why? What? No, you were goalie stuff. We switched out. Let's do it. Put the flipper.
Look, I wouldn't if I tried. Oh, honey, if I get restless. Oh, baby, you're not that kind. Nobody knows it. Nobody knows. Right from the start, I give you my heart. Oh, I give you my heart. Well, thanks guys for watching my video about nature. See you next week, and hopefully next week's video will be much better. Thanks, and have a good summer.